To get Gboard on Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, first of all, you will need to open a Google Play Store on your device, and then you need to find Gboard. Click on the search button and then type in Gboard. When you have Gboard right here on the list, click on it and then download it. I already have this keyboard downloaded, which means I can skip the step where it's being installed. Now let's go into the settings on our device, and here we can enter general management. Go into Samsung keyboard settings, into keyboard settings, and then you can select the Samsung Gboard voice type Gboard right here. Activate the option. Make sure that the Gboard is enabled. After that, you should be able to find Gboard right here in default keyboard, and you can switch to whichever language input for your Gboard. That way, if we open our keyboard, as you can see, it works as Gboard. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.